Hello children, welcome to my lecture. Today we are going to learn traits. Traits type of question you will get in poetry section. And I think you already studied in poetry section 2.1. And regarding trait, children had doubt and some children came to the college and they asked for trait, and that's why I am going to make this lecture to clear your doubt regarding traits. And you already get the question in question number 3a. So let's start the traits. Children, do you know traits means we can say in Hindi लक्षण, विशेषता, खासियत या गुण. मीन्स किसी व्यक्ति के लक्षण, विशेषता या खासियत को जो वर्ड बताता है उसे ही हम क्या कहते हैं? ट्रेट्स कहते हैं. See, definition of trait: a characteristic feature or quality distinguishing a particular person or things. That is a trait. Trait is what? Trait is a characteristic feature or quality distinguishing a particular person or things. Next is given over here, that is trait means rare, a touch or stroke. Means we can say in Hindi stroke means निशान बनाना या हाथ को हिला डुला करके कोई निशान बनाना या हस्त संचालन करना. For example, we can say a brush stroke, she stroke his hair affectionately. Means मदर क्या करती है? आपके बालों में हाथ दे के आपको सहलाती. Means she is stroking affectionately. लव से आपको stroke करती है. In another way, when we want to define the trait, so trait is a genetically determined characteristic or condition. Traits may be physical, such as hair color or leaf shape, or they may be behavioral, such as nesting in birds and burrowing in rodent. So children, here question arises, what is the meaning of rodent? Rodent means type of small animal which has strong sharp teeth. We can take the example just like a rat, rabbit, etc. things. Traits typically result from the combined action of several genes, though some traits are expressed by a single gene. See children, some examples of traits. See, big 5 personality traits. First one is open, the people who is open-minded. Therefore that we are using open. Next is agreeable. Agreeable means the person who is always agree. Then stable. Stable means the person who is always stable. Stable मतलब एक जगह रुकने वाला, किसी काम को मन लगा के करने वाला. Next one is conscious. Conscious means careful, honest. वो व्यक्ति जो अपने काम के प्रति बहुत कर्तव्यनिष्ठ है, ऐसे व्यक्ति हमको conscious बोलते हैं. Next is extroverted. Extroverted means confident. Means the person who is always confident about his work, that person we can say extroverted. Now we have to learn the character traits. See, character traits, there is 2 type of character traits, positive and negative, and some words are given for the positive character trait and some words are given for negative character traits. So let's learn the positive character traits. First one is cheerful. You already know what is the meaning of cheerful. Mindful means we minding any work, किसी भी कार्य के लिए अपना ध्यान देना, that is means mindful. Then passionate, we have passion regarding any work, that is passionate. Then quality means any work qualities regarding the you are doing some work in a very good way, that is means that traits what we have to say, you have the quality of that work. Then self mastery means we have the self confidence or you have the self mastery to do any work, that is tidy. I think you know what is means of tidy. Then affability. Affability means friendly and social. The person who is what? Very friendly and social, that person have a which trait? That person who belongs to the trait affability. Next is cheerful. Cheerful means always smiling or happy person. Next is discipline. The person who always followed the discipline, that person is a disciplined person. Next one is friendliness. Friendliness means the person who always friendly behave with others. Next is humble. Next is lively. Next is moderate, and next is patient and rational. Next one silent. The person is what? Very silent, that person belong to this positive trait. Next is truthful. जो सत्य का पालन करता है, that person we can say he had characteristic of truthful. Then affectionate means already I told, the mother touching your hair affectionately, or we can her mother stroke her hair affectionately. Next is charitable. Next one is dispassionate means we have passion or not. When opposite, passion का opposite dispassionate. Then frugal means simple. For example, we can say using as much as money or food as it necessary. The person who is using as much as money or food as is necessary. Next is independent. Next is independent. Independent means, you know na, the person who is always independent means not depend upon others. That person is independent. Then logical. I think you know logical. Then next is modest, and you know modest. Then persist. Next one is reasonable. Next is clean. Next one is sincere. Next one is alert and creative. These all are very easy words. I think you understood. That's why I am not giving the meaning of these words. Till here is our positive traits. Now see the negative traits. First one is selfish. Next one is aloof. Aloof means the person who is not friendly to other people. Example, we can say her shyness made her seem aloof. Next is blunt. Next one is changeable. Next one is difficult. Then foolish. Next is inflexible. Flexible का opposite होता है inflexible. जो person flexible नहीं रहता उसे inflexible बोलते हैं. Next one is nasty. Nasty means unpleasant. Example, we can say the smell of bathroom is nasty. Next one is prejudice. Prejudice means a strong unreasonable feeling of not liking or trusting somebody or something. Next one is compulsive. Next one is shameless. Next one is angry. Then boastful. Boastful ज़्यादा बोलने वाला. Then charmless. Next one is dishonest. Honest, dishonest. जो honest नहीं है वो कैसा है? Dishonest quality रखेगा. Then forgetful. Then naughty. These are very easy words. That's why I'm not explaining. Next one is pompous. Pompous means self-important. For example, a professor who think he is smarter than everyone. Next is thoughtless. Next is anxious. Anxious means eager, or we can say keen, or we can say curious or worried. The person who is always curious for anything or he is worried, that person we can say have a negative trait. That trait is what? Anxious traits. Next is boorish. Boorish means rude person को बोलते हैं, impolite को बोलते हैं, जो ill mannered होता है उसे भी हम बोलते हैं boorish person. Then cold, कि always not doing anything, that is. Then disloyal, the person who is not loyal with their family, that person belongs to the disloyal traits. Next is gloomy. Next one is jealous. Next one is neglectful. Next one is quixotic. Quixotic means singular. We can say in Hindi विलक्षण और कल्पनायु. Or another word for in English for quixotic is fantastical. Next is dogmatic. Dogmatic means जैसे कोई कट्टर हिंदू होता है, कट्टर मुस्लिम होता है, मीन्स स्वमताभिमानी. स्वमताभिमानी जो अपने मत का अभिमान रखता हो, that is स्वमताभिमानी. In English we can say fanatic or bigoted. Next is touchy. Touchy means irritable or offensive. The person who is always irritable, that person belongs to the negative trait, that is touchy. We can say in Hindi touchy means चिड़चिड़ापन. Next is arrogant. Arrogant means आपको पता ही है. Now children, now I am going to give the example regarding the trait. And ये जो questions है children, you already get in prelim exam, right? And lot of children not attempted, and some children attempted but they are not written correct answer. Very few children are written the correct answer, and that's why I am taking same example whatever I am giving in prelim exam. See first example. So children, a lines belong करती हैं आपकी 2.1 जो poem है Song of the Open Road. So first example, henceforth I ask no good fortune, I myself am good fortune. So this sentence is given in poem. So this means what? Henceforth I ask for no good fortune. Means I am not asking for any good fortune. Why? Because I myself am good fortune. तो मैं खुद के लिए ही क्या हूँ? Good fortune हूँ. Means that person having self confidence on own self. That's why he say, and that's why here which trait we have to write? Self confidence. Next one, henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. So here what? Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं है. Means that person is what? Very positive, and he is a very self-reliant person, and that's why here trait came positive and self-reliant. उसकी थिंकिंग कैसी है? पॉजिटिव है, और उसे खुद के ऊपर भरोसा है, इसलिए यहाँ पर क्या आंसर आएगा? पॉजिटिव एंड सेल्फ रिलायंट. नाउ थर्ड वन, I do not want the constellations any nearer. So here what the poet says, he do not want the constellations any nearer. So here which trait belongs? Self assured, मतलब उन्हें खुद के ऊपर भरोसा है और वह independent है, and that's why he say I do not want any constellations. Next is fourth one. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. I swear, उसे पूरा भरोसा है, it is impossible for me to get rid of them. So here he had clear thinking and knowing his mind. वो अपने दिमाग को समझ रहा है, उसकी स्वच्छ सोच है कि वह क्या कर सकता है और क्या नहीं कर सकता. That he is showing by this line, and that's why here trait belongs clear thinking and knowing his mind. And next one, fifth one. I am filled with them. I will feel them in return. So here he will what done? He will feel them in return. This line belongs to the which trait? Aware and honest about himself. वह क्या है? उन चीज़ों के प्रति अवेयर है और वो क्या है? ऑनेस्ट है खुद के लिए. And that's why here traits belongs aware and honest about himself. So children, I think you can understood what is the trait. So next lecture we will meet again. Thank you children.